You are the creator of your reality. You are the creator of your universe. When you go to sleep at night and you have a dream, you may be in that dream, you may be experiencing that dream. It may be very real to you, and it may mirror your waking life. But you are the creator of that dream. You created the people in the dream. You created and generated the trees and the rivers and the waters, or the buildings, or the situations, etc., etc. But all of these things came from your consciousness. The consciousness that is you. You are consciousness first, then mind, and then manifested forth your current incarnation as a physical being. So never at any point in time are we not dreaming, are we not doing the same process of creating our reality. This is the game, this is the fun. We throw ourselves challenges so that we can solve them, so that we can become better creators, better gods, better beings in this universe. Starting from a selfish point of view, of me, minds, and then moving on to a selfless point of view, ours, we. Because the same consciousness that shines brightly within you and generates the whole of existence is the same consciousness that shines brightly in every single sentient being in existence. Create your own reality. Start by meditating, dreaming within the day. Visualize what you want to create. If it is rainy outside, it should be sunny on the inside for you if that's what you desire. But this is about willpower and strength. You must have the ability to take the outside world as a stock image, as a photo of inspiration, close your eyes, and then create your reality over top of it. Take this outside world as an inspiration for you, and then you as the creator, you as pure consciousness, you as God, create the world you wish to live in. You have the power, you have the ability. It is 99% belief and 1% willpower. You have the power, you have the strength, you are the creator. Create your own reality. Create the feelings you want to feel. Generate your new matrix upon which to live. You know what you want and you know what you don't want. It's time for you to generate and become the creator that you always were. Ashe, Amen. Remember, you are the creator, you are God. Create your own reality. I am Mashia. Have a blessed one.